Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust margins in a PDF document. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up the file and then go to the top left, click on All Tools. Okay, so just click on it, and once done, go ahead and find Organize Pages. And make sure that you do have the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat. Now, once you click on Organize Pages, you'll be able to see at the bottom left, okay, that says Set Page Boxes. So you're going to want to click on it. And after that, you'll be greeted with this window. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and set the units from millimeters to inches, okay? Go ahead and use inches. And under here, under Change Page Size, go ahead and select Custom. Now you can just go ahead and adjust the width, height, and the X and Y offsets. Okay, you have the option to make the changes for all of your page or from just one page. Okay, for example, 5 to 5. And then after that, you'll have the preview right here. And once done, just hit on OK and you'd be good to go. And that's just how simple it is to adjust margins in a PDF document. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.